Okay, so here we are back inside of our tracking platform. As you can see, we really don't have any type of data. We have 0 clicks because we haven't ran any traffic yet. We do see 4 clicks here, but that's just from the TrafficJunky approval team when they were approving some of our banners. Okay, so that data is insignificant. We could go ahead and just click this reset button, and that'll bring that count back to 0. So whenever you want to delete the clicks or statistics for that particular campaign, you can just go ahead and click reset. When you click delete, it's gonna delete the entire campaign. Okay, so only hit reset if you want to reset, the click data. Okay, but what I wanted to show you guys was this. If you take a look at a campaign, you could just go ahead and click the stat button, and it'll bring you here. And of course, there's nothing to look at. But that's not the point. I just kind of want to show you this little drop-down menu. It says group data by, and right now it says all data. And if you click on it, it's going to bring up all these different selections: device manufacturer, device name, model, just a whole bunch of different stuff. And iMobi Tracks automatically tracks all these different variables. So this is a really powerful feature that comes with using this tracker. Okay, but if you scroll down, you'll see something that says ISP. Now, if we were to select that one, of course it's going to reload, but it's not going to show any data. But if there was data, it would show us the exact ISPs that generated us the clicks and also generated us the leads. Okay, and then what we would do is take those ISPs and go ahead and bring it over to TrafficJunky and only target the ones that are profitable for us. Okay, so right now we don't have any data. I will show you probably in another video when we do get some clicks. Well, you know what, matter of fact, let's take a look at the 4 clicks that were generated by TrafficJunky. And there you go. There's some different hostings that were being used to go ahead and generate these clicks. So that's what you would see. You'll see ISP. When you select ISP, you'll see different type of service providers. And then you would just go ahead and copy and paste that and enter it in your TrafficJunky account. And I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so we're back in our dashboard at our TrafficJunky account. Again, just scroll down to the bottom and we'll get, seeing our campaign here, we'll just get access to it by clicking on it. It'll bring us back to the campaign summary page, or this little tab area. And if we scroll over to the right, we'll see something that says ISP. Right now it says 0 because we're not targeting any ISPs. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and click edit. And it'll bring us here. It says add ISP targeting. This is optional. Okay, so you can target your ads to a specific ISP. Just type in the name below and click on them to add them to your list. Okay, so do remember, certain placements allow ISP targeting and some do not. So you have to make sure that you read the information before you select that particular ad placement to make sure that it allows this targeting, this ISP type targeting. Okay, so all you would need to do is, once you found the profitable campaigns inside of your tracking solution, go ahead and just enter in those ISPs here. So we'll just type in some random stuff. Okay, we can type in, let's say for example, as you're typing, it's going to pop up. Let's say Sprint PCS was one. Okay, so we'll just click that. Let's just, just for example, and you would just click add. Okay, so you can click add. So now it says added ISP, Sprint PCS. Okay, so now the only ISP that we're targeting is Sprint PCS, excuse me. So then we would type in another one. Let's just randomly type in well, let's see if this is in there, if I spelled it right. Well, it's probably a dash. T-Mobile, for example. So I mean, basically, I'm just using random, pretty popular service providers. But we just go ahead and click add, and you would just go in and add all your different ISPs that were profitable for you from your tracking solution. Okay, and you would just do that here, type in the name, and it'll automatically bring it up, and then you click add. So now once we're done with that and it's added in there, we could go back to campaign summary, and now you'll see it says ISP2, and if you click on the blue section, it'll show the actual ISPs that we're targeting. So pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple. That's the power of using iMobi Tracks to automatically find, you know, different type of stats and reports that you wouldn't even know of if you were to use a different tracking platform. Okay, so that's one of the reasons I recommended them from the very beginning. Okay, so ISP2, two different, you know, targets we're targeting. And it's in there now. So this actual campaign, if we were to set it live and actually fund the account, would be targeting those two ISPs. But again, don't zero in on your ISP targeting until you kind of go broad and see what's working for that particular campaign. Okay, so the blue tab is convenient. You know, you could click on it. It's going to show you all the ads, show your ISP targeting. Okay, so it's just a quick way to look, and if you wanted to edit any of these sections, it's just right here on the right. Okay, so that's about it for ISP targeting. Go ahead and just run it and find out what ISPs are profitable for you. Okay, and we'll touch up a little bit more on some more advanced strategy setups, how to set up your campaigns and structure them when you're running ISP targeting in another video.